months ago, and just thanks Citroën and my federation for this opportunity.
Bueno, pues está agradeciendo a su federación la oportunidad que
Just happy to be come back in this event. For sure, the plan is try to win again for Citroën here.
que van a luchar por la victoria final. Venga, otro aplauso para la familia Rosell. Ready to come up. Please welcome, big applause for the Expo for Rallye Team. Me preguntamos por la experiencia de haber participado en la categoría WRC2 aquí en Islas Canarias. Evidentemente tiene un buen recuerdo, les sirve de mucho. Pero prize coming up, look at this. Look at all these people. Vamos a hacer una ola como la hacemos. Una, dos, tres, arriba, mira. That's for you.
Number 16, Adrian Formo and Alexandra Correa. And don't forget the team manager standing in the background. Give a big wave, Pablo Marcos.
Son presentado here, Adrian, yeah? Upstairs.
I thought at that time maybe the Spanish people are eating, but actually they are there to cheer us. So thanks to everybody, and now.
Yes, the show is very straightforward. So yeah, not so much to consider, but I mean it's a place where the weather can always surprise. So.
I mean, obviously, coming to Rallye Canaries is always a pleasure for me, and despite my last experiences over here 14 and 13 years back, I still have great memories, and hopefully we can...
They want to take it with them. You leave the microphone. Co-drivers, get courtesy next to your drivers.
Let's do a picture first. Let's do a picture in front. Can we do a picture in front? Johnson. Venga, un aplauso muy fuerte para el equipo. Tired, so I think that quickly will be quite key. Bueno, pues el piloto evidentemente, bueno, pues está muy pendiente de todas las pruebas.
Otherwise it's a bit tricky, but we have seen very nice stages.
Espero que no termine yo. It can be very tough. Thank you. We
we've seen already during Reiki that this island is very special regarding weather because the coast is most of the time. So yeah, we'll see which condition we get. But the tires are new. Edwin mentioned that the first time we used it on.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you.
That was a good answer.
¿Está de acuerdo el copiloto? Dice sí.
And difficult, so you have to be really careful in some of the places, but I mean it's really nice roads. I must say that you can enjoy them. Right here.
El secreto está en el lado izquierdo, sí señor, como tiene que ser. ¿Cuál es el secreto para ganar el rally? El rally está aquí, al lado izquierdo. That's great.
Thank you very much. Before you get in your car, does anyone have a phone number? Your phone. Does anyone have a phone?
Let's do a selfie in front. Other team in front.
Someone must have a phone.
Pues esa es la fotografía que también da vuelta al planeta. Selfie photo, that's it.
One more.
One more.
Deputy, he wasn't in it.
You have